So what's up guys? And in this video, I want to share one of the best technical analysis template with you. And I'll even pay you $5 if you share this to a friend. So what is this technical analysis template? So when you are learning investing, you study how price action works. You try to find a top, you try to find a bottom, you try to find a good entry point. And this template I have been using for 5.5 years now, and have tested hundreds of indicators and have stripped down to the essence of what technical analysis is all about. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this template for free. I'll teach you how to read this template. I'll link you to the training videos as well. And if you refer this to your friend, then I'll pay you $5 for it. So this is a free tool I use called TradingView.com. And this template helps you find good entry and exit points. So here you can see there's a Bollinger Band. You can also see some support moving averages, which is 100 and 200 EMA. So this is the template, and you can add it with just a click of a button. So this is actually a template we teach and use in Investing Accelerator, and I recently created this indicator. And if you want to get it, all you got to do is to get access to it first, and then click on your indicators, click on the EMA template, then voila, it will be all here. And I'll teach you when is a good time to enter, how to read these indicators so then you can get the most out of it. So the link will be in the description. So when you go to the first link in the description, which is the best technical analysis template, you will be brought to this page. And you just need to enter your name and email address, and you can get it. After you enter your name and email, you'll be brought to this page, and you can sign up for an account and click here to get access to this indicator for free. So you can add it on your chart, like how I showed you earlier. And this is actually a very important template, because this is the template I used to help me make over 700% in the last 5 years. And this is also what I teach new investors to use, because it makes investing very simple. And because this template is so important, and I'm a relatively small channel right now with only 4,000 subscribers, I want you to help me to spread the message. So right now, I have 100 spots. So if you refer one friend to watch this video, just send them this video link, and they watch this video, they get the template, and they don't know me before, so they're not in my email system, then both you and your friend will get $5 through PayPal. And I'll send you the instruction on it once they sign up. So once your friend watches this video, they'll arrive at this site, and they'll enter their name, their email, and they'll enter your email here as a referral. If they are qualified, then I'll get an alert. So then both you and your friend will get $5. And I'll contact you for email. And in terms of the training videos, I'll also link you in the description below. And it is quite a long training. It's around 4 hours long, so make sure you watch till the end, and I break down the entire template step by step on how you can use it to find good entry points, to find discounted stocks, so on and so forth. So thank you in advance for helping me out to spread this message, because I do want to help more people without a financial background to master investing.